säkerhets for Finland. Swedish and Finnish outside officially. I think best these three versions doing programs. You can see the counterweight going up. Amazing. I like this red brick color.
No, same here.
The basement floor is locked off here, but there are otherwise 6 floors. It was built in 1954. They're 65 years old in 2019. This is the railway station 5552. It's going to be split in texture without the weight too. I don't know if it was finished in 1955, but I'll check it.
Yeah.
Press.
Expected packaging maintained by Finland.
I think the windows must have been changed in the late 1990s or early 2000s. But they didn't memorize the elevators then.
Yeah.
It still would have been unnecessary.
Yeah.
This is still working very well.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's